Speaking out for the first time, a Genesee County official talking to TV5. This after a Grand Blanc woman is accused of threatening to kill her and her colleague, all because of what the police say is the county's mask mandate in schools. Tonight, that woman is facing terrorism charges, a crime punishable by up to 2 decades in prison. TV5's Rachel McCrary has the latest on this investigation.
But these are serious charges.
Helena Burt is in a lot of trouble. The Grand Blanc woman is accused of calling in a death threat over the Genesee County K-6 mask mandate for students.
It's not okay to threaten somebody with death.
Genesee County prosecutor David Layton says it happened on Tuesday. He believes Burt called into the Genesee County Health Department stating that she was going to kill the county health director, Dr. Pamela Hackert, and the deputy director, Kaylee Blaney.
Said she was Rosa Parks and said she knew where they lived, leave our children alone, and I'm going to kill you.
We caught up with Blaney to talk about the threat, recent health order, and why it's in place.
Our primary goal is to protect the health and safety of everyone that lives in Genesee County.
Blaney stands by the decision to have kids mask up in schools. While she can't comment on the death threat investigation, she says COVID-19 cases have been steadily rising as the Delta variant surges. The only thing that could reverse the order would be if the director rescinds it. Blaney says right now that's not happening.
Case numbers right now are too high to be able to, not have mitigation measures in place in our schools. Right now, the order will expire 8 weeks after vaccines are available for the 5 to 11 age group.
A special commissioners meeting is scheduled for Monday to once again have public comment and a discussion about the order. But in light of that death threat,
there's obviously concerns and considerations for our safety. So whether we'll be there in person or whether we'll be there via Zoom or however that decision is made will be made by the commissioners.
Burt is charged with 1 count of making a false report or threat of terrorism and 2 counts of malicious use of a telecommunications service. Layton believes in peaceful protests, but as far as what Burt is accused of,
there's a certain line you cannot cross.
And that threat of terrorism charge can also land Burt in prison for a maximum of 20 years. In Flint, Rachel McCrary, WNEM TV5.
All right, Rachel, thank you. Burt's bond is set at $22,000 and she's due back in court on September 9th.